Hello, today I'm in Ford Explorer. In this video I'll show you how to navigate through instrument cluster menu. In the beginning, take a look at the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. Press right and left button to switch between menus. On the right side of the menu you can check information about the car and alerts. In the center you can check your speed, and on the left side you can check assistant menu. Press menu button to switch between assistant menus. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.